Hello, folks. So today we decided to have lunch at our local Wawa. Wawa is a great place where you can find gourmet food. And today we're checking out the club sandwiches. Yes, we have never tried the club sandwiches before. And the good thing about Wawa is that it gives you the opportunity to select your toppings and whatever you want on your sandwich. And so the wifey and I are going to go in and make our club sandwiches. And we're gonna also pick some nice sides to go along. You want some sides, babes?
Most definitely. They have so many different options. It is not even funny. And for a gas station convenience store, it's really clean, nice, and organized.
This is what we decided to get. We decided to get our club sandwiches, but we also pick up a few more sides along the way. And we just decided so we're gonna do a quick review when we get home, including all the nice soup and everything. And so, guys, just stay with us as we present to you our lunch from Wawa. Yes, food review extraordinaire. Look at all these nice things that we got. I promise you. The mac and cheese, and they come in different flavors. You have chipotle, you have ranch, you have garlic aioli. Yeah, the club sandwiches were too much to mention, and so it is really nice. We decided on two different sandwich, and we're gonna just mix and mingle and try them, right? And remember, guys, these are our reviews. You may not necessarily share the same reviews. However, I would still recommend that you go to Wawa just to experience what they have. And you might be surprised. Something there might be very flavorful to you and might just tickle your fancy. So, yes, we are going to taste and we're going to review everything. So, we're trying the soup, which is the chicken corn chowder soup. And she gonna tell you how that tastes.
Creamy.
Creamy corn chowder, chicken, creamy corn, what? Creamy chicken, something like that.
I need a recipe. We need a recipe.
No, that one that tastes good, man.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm not sure.
What I normally notice about soups from, fast food joints, they're always salty, but this is not
Not salty. This was, yeah, Wawa. Yeah,
This is
one.
good.
And the first sandwich we have is the turkey club sandwich. See it here, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna just cut one in two, for share. So, you wanna try? A big bite. And she don't like cold sandwich, guys.
Fresh?
And the multigrain bread. I like that one now. The only little salt we actually taste is the bacon.
Bacon. And I would not give it up for anything.
The cheese is good.
So wait, I don't like cold sandwiches, but this is the deal. You dip it.
She have one. She happen. The one they look good. The one they look good. Oh, I like the soup. I could go try the rest of stuff then.
All right, so we have the mac and cheese. I went for the ranch just because I know if I chose what I wanted to choose, it would have been boring, which is a classic. But yeah.
And the mac and cheese basically is just regular mac and cheese, and then they have a ranch sauce that they add. So,
That's what we're mixing.
They also have different variety. Garlic aioli, chipotle, and they have a buffalo, which is chipotle with an egg.
Really?
Yeah. And we also have the chicken tenders, guys, with the boom sauce.
Boom sauce. All right.
Go ahead, girl. You go. Oh, that tastes. You don't taste the ranch, don't it? See, classic.
I don't mind because I don't like ranch normally.
It's creamy.
Cheesy. Overly cheesy.
That can easily get Clyde in. I think Joshua will love that more than anything else. The chicken tenders.
Real chicken?
Yeah,
Or
questionable. The chicken is questionable. It's crunchy.
yeah. I feel like it looks processed-ish.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm not a fan of the chicken because it's giving me McDonald's.
Yeah, so definitely you want to avoid the chicken nuggets,
And
the chicken
it's
tenders.
salty bad.
Mm-hmm.
I will try it with the boom boom.
I feel like this boom boom sauce, a lot of restaurants use it. By Ken's, you know, a lot of restaurants use it. So I'm gonna try one more with the sauce.
It help it a little bit, but yeah, that could have stayed.
Yeah, chicken nugget, chicken tenders is just like synthetic. Trust me. Let's go for the next club sandwich.
So the next one is the tuna.
Let me turn the lights down a little bit.
All
Yeah.
the way.
All the way? Yeah. So the tuna, guys. And the tuna, this one is tuna with bacon. Yeah? So I like the fact that the sandwich is not overly tuna. You get a good amount of tuna, but it's not overly. All right? And they toast the bread. Yeah, cheese up nicely. And thing. Go, baby.
Go. No, go.
No, you.
You.
Come on. Tell me.
I know I like the back and give me the front.
What? But like the back and you give me the front. What? This is a family show. Please. What's your flavor?
Your sandwiches giving me homemade. At least I can speak for the club sandwiches. They're giving me homemade. Not overly pretentious. They don't kill it with a whole lot of unnecessary flavors to throw you off. You know, the unnecessary salt and something is not there. So you get to enjoy the actual flavor of the food. And again, the ingredients taste fresh. Fresh.
I like the fact that you get to select, you know, stuff like the cheese that you want. If you want any additional dressing, if you want extra bacon, I like that idea that you just get a sandwich, but you help to make it by putting whatever you want on it.
Yeah, they have a custom option with all of their meals, pretty much. Well, not all, but all the sandwiches.
To be honest with you, this club sandwich is a great lunch idea. Tuna is healthy. If you wanted the turkey is healthy. It's just a regular sandwich. It's not nothing over the top or, you know, highfalutin. Then the other thing, guys, is the last thing that we got is some coffee. Now, here's my hack for the coffee. What I did was, we got a little bit of the iced coffee from the machine, you know?
The flavored one?
The flavored one. And then we went to the regular hot coffee station and fill up the rest of the way with the hot coffee. That way we control how sweet the coffee is. You understand? And so you don't have to just go and get a full glass of iced coffee because that's too sweet. So what we did was halfway with the regular with the regular iced coffee that's pre-mixed, and then the rest of the way we top it up with just the coffee from the machine. If you feel like you want it a little bit sweeter, you can add your own sweetening and make it to your liking and your consistency. So that's a great way in order to enjoy some iced coffee without that additional syrup and all the other things that will come with it. Yeah. So overall, what do you think about your lunch date at Wawa?
I don't feel cheated. The food is satisfying, affordable, and like I said, the key is that it's fresh. So yeah, if you're talking about gas station food, Wawa is a good option.
Remember, me tell you, Wawa, thanks here, on a big up Wawa. because I get a lunch off her now. And on top of that, the wife was comfortably okay and all right with the meal. And we're up on the road and it's a nice place to stop.
Stay tuned for dinner. We're gonna do a Wawa dinner.
Without the chicken tenders. Like that's the only one that I didn't like. Chicken tenders. So yeah, next time. And the mac and cheese can stay too.
Yeah. If you're a real mac and cheese lover, it's very creamy and cheesy. Not my thing, but
Thank God so we have Joshua. Who we can dump all of the stuff that we don't like pan.
wow.
Yeah, whatever. Yeah. Come at me.
Oh guys, and I totally forgot that we got a cornbread, yeah, to pair with the soup. I never eat creamy soup on cornbread yet. Awesome. So let me taste their cornbread. I mean, it was packaged, so I don't know if it's made in-house. Doesn't have a brand on it, so. Not your Aunt Mary's cornbread, but it can go on. Not too bad, not overly sweet. I've had better, but it's good.
So hold on, the cornbread they eat like cake. You don't eat like cornbread, they eat like cake.
I'm not getting the natural corn grains that I, get from a real good cornbread in it.
Yeah. Corn cake.
So thank you guys for watching this review. We do hope you enjoyed it. If you do have a Wawa in your neck of the woods, be sure to try it out. The food is very affordable and the quality is very premier. Yes.
And definitely, if you have somewhere that you want us to review, please drop it in the comment box because that's what we're all about, checking out the food and giving your honest opinion. And of course, we're not discriminating and we're not dissing nobody. But if you want us to review somewhere, let us know, right, babes?
Right.
All right. So, guys, once again, thank you so much. Yardie Belly TV. And of course, we had lunch at Wawa.
So the thing set.
Remember, me tell you, remember, live and laugh, cook, and consume.
Buy and eat.